The Table Lookup tool and State AMS tool both generate analog HDL, be it Saber's native masked modeling language or VHDL AMS. They can be contrasted to SaberRD modeling tools that characterize existing templates, such as semiconductor components. State AMS is a general-purpose tool ideal for theoretical models, which can be best described with equations. The Table Lookup tool, on the other hand, is good for modeling empirical information. It generates an HDL model that references tabular data. The Table Lookup tool is versatile, applying tabular data to a wide variety of model types. A good way to better understand its different applications is by looking at the included examples that can be found under the Help menu. We'll use an example of a solenoid to illustrate the general flow of the Table Lookup tool. The easiest way to initiate the process is to begin with the tabular data. It needs to exist in a text file with a simple format. Each line represents a data point, with values separated by a space or a tab. If the data is in an Excel spreadsheet, perform a Save As tab delimited text file. It's not imperative that this be the final data set, but it needs to have the correct number of values per line. There needs to be from 1 to 5 independent input values. The last value is the dependent output. For this example, there are 2 input values and 1 output value per data point. No header line or any other letters are allowed, just the numbers. Under the Model tab, in the Modeling Tools palette, the Table Lookup tool is selected. Selecting the new TLU model icon brings up a set of radio buttons. The data will be input from the ASCII file just viewed. The data is loaded into a spreadsheet along the left side and plotted. The View menu plots the data as a family of curves or visualizes it as a 3-dimensional surface. When the data was loaded, the Table Lookup tool had already created an initial HDL model. Selecting the View HDL icon brings up a new window showing the model. By default, it is written in masked HDL. The HDL menu selects between masked and VHDL AMS, with the HDL window reflecting the changes. Let's look at how the data will be accessed. There's a line that references a file called model_name.ai_dat. This configuration reads the external file, making it easy to change the underlying data without changing the HDL of the model. Alternatively, the data can be embedded directly in the model, making it more portable. This change is done by going to the Properties pull-down and selecting Internal Array from the Data Storage submenu. Pressing the Update button reflects the changes in the model. The external file reference is replaced by the internal array. The interface to the model needs to be defined. Under the Properties menu is the Interface Setup. The solenoid has 2 electrical input pins. They are defined by the second column of data, which specifies the current through these pins. It has 2 output pins, which will be part of a translational position system, for which force is the through variable. The third column defines the force through these pins. Position is the across variable for these output pins and is defined by the first column of data. The final step is saving the Table Lookup model. It can be placed on the schematic by pressing the Place Part icon.